think my favorite thing about being a media and communications student here at Arcadia is the opportunities I have been given. If you are given an opportunity, say yes to it. We are given so many professional opportunities to network, to get hands-on in different projects.
So the main opportunities that students in the Department of Media and Communication have are through our student-run media. We have LocoMag, which is our student-run magazine. We have our student-run public relations agency, where students take on real-world clients, and also through our student-run radio station, where students can plan and host their own radio programs.
The most important transition we offer is the internship, which takes place in the senior year. They actually gain direct experience, first-hand experience, wherever they do their internship. And most often, it turns into a job opportunity.
So I've held 2 internships in the last 2 years. Both of them have been fully remote and have gotten myself acclimated to the digital marketing world.
We also have a very unique BA in global media, which is a major abroad program, and it allows the students to study abroad for at least 2 semesters, and it sort of gives them the best of both worlds. They can come and they can study at a small university for a few years, and then they get to go abroad and take advantage of million-dollar media campuses, and then come back and tie it all together when they do their senior capstone.
I think something that you can get here that you can't really get anywhere else is the kind of global aspect of media. For me, I took a songwriting class in England with a professional songwriter. Like, he wrote songs for One Republic.
I do appreciate that Arcadia allows you to go abroad more than once, and they definitely encourage you. Like, it's part of our course requirements to go at least once, and if we want to go twice, they're more than happy to let us.
I've had some really great professors here, and I know some friends that have gone to other schools or larger schools where they've kind of come in and left and the professors don't really know them. I feel like here that I've gotten to meet the professors in the department and know them really well, and they're all kind of invested in my education and in me as a person. They've really helped steer me in the right course, and through learning from them, I've learned what I want to do in the future.
One of the things I think that I find most gratifying about working at Arcadia is that I can actually check in with each and every student. I think that lets me be a better teacher to them. So they're not just consuming content through lectures or slides or whatever. They're building social connections and social relationships of learning.